Hi, we're going to quickly run through how to install the Justuno app on your BigCommerce store. Whether you have an existing Justuno account or not, the Justuno app will need to be installed in your BigCommerce store. And you can access the BigCommerce app install page from your Justuno account. Starting in your Justuno account, on the home page, click Connect Your Apps, and search for BigCommerce in our catalog of applications. Now log into your BigCommerce account, click Install, and follow the steps to complete the installation. Back in the Justuno portal, you'll be prompted to log back into your account. If you have more than one store, you'll need to select the store you wish to install the BigCommerce app to. Now to confirm that it was installed correctly, visit the embed page in your Justuno account, and you should see a green status for Standard Embed Code when your install is active and ready. Now you're ready to launch your first workflow, which is super easy to do with Justuno's ready-to-use workflow and design templates. Simply select a template based on your goals, customize it, and it's ready to publish and go live on your store. Here's one of our favorite use cases for new users: an email and SMS capture. You can add to the workflow template to suit your needs, or go with some best practices, like waiting 10 to 15 seconds to trigger a lead capture, our Smart Frame feature to only show relevant screens like the SMS opt-in if they've already added their email, and more. From here, sync to your email and SMS provider so new subscribers will flow automatically to your marketing tech stack and your desired list for each. Congratulations! You've just created your first Justuno workflow in a matter of minutes and are on your way to a more personalized website experience.